Assalamu alaikum. If you have been learning English for some time but feel like your speaking skills are stuck, don't worry, you are not alone. Today I'll be covering 6 essential points that could be holding you back. First, we will discuss the lack of motivation and how to reignite your passion for learning. Then we will move on to ineffective study method and where your current approach might not be working. Next is not enough practice, the key element that turns knowledge into fluency. I'll also touch on the fear of making mistakes, a major roadblock for many learners. We will also examine lack of self-belief, which can shatter your confidence in speaking. And finally, we'll focus on communication over perfection. So, stay tuned until the end for a powerful conclusion that will set you on the path to improvement. First of all, I would like to talk about lack of motivation. Many learners see studying English as something they have to do. This attitude makes learning feel like a burden. And we know from research that low motivation often leads to poor results. To turn things around, you need to shift your mindset. Try to embrace and enjoy the learning journey. Join a community of learners, set achievable goals, and take a class. For this, you can also join my classes. I offer two types, one-on-one and group classes. The one-on-one class is ideal for those who need extra attention due to poor English skills. After just 1 month of working with me, you will find it much easier to engage in conversations. In the group class, you will be part of a small group where you can interact with others while attending my tailored lessons designed to meet your specific needs. Currently, I'm offering a 50% discount on all my classes. Now I would like to talk about the second factor which also plays very crucial role, ineffective study methods. There isn't a single approach that works for everyone when it comes to learning English, but there are definitely better ways to study based on research. For instance, some learners memorize vocabulary lists to improve their English, but in my opinion, this method is not good. You cannot memorize words without context. The key is to engage with language in context through reading, listening, movies, and more. Focus on the words and grammar that confuse you, break them down to understand their meaning, and then step back to apply what you have learned. If your study routine isn't doing this, it may be time to adjust your approach. Now we talk about another factor which also very important, not enough practice. Many learners focus too much on theory and not enough on practice. Think of it like learning to swim. You won't get better unless you actually get in the water. To make sure you are practicing enough, set clear and realistic goals. Even if you can only dedicate a few minutes each day to speaking, make that time consistent. Because consistency is the key to success. Fear of mistakes. A lot of learners are afraid of making mistakes, which holds them back from speaking confidently. Remember, mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. They show that you are trying. When you make a mistake, don't see it as wrong. It just means you are not yet there. By shifting your mindset, you will become more comfortable with experimenting and taking risks in your speech. Now we talk about our last point, lack of self-belief. Confidence plays a huge role in how well we speak. Many learners get discouraged, especially at the intermediate level. When progress seems slow, it's easy to compare yourself to others, but that's a trap. The key is to focus on your own progress rather than measuring yourself against others. By setting small and achievable goals, you will build your confidence. Sorry, there's another point which is also very important, even though I have already mentioned in the start of the video. Now I would like to talk about it. Focus on communication over perfection. When speaking, it's common to focus too much on choosing the right words or using proper grammar. But remember, language is about communication. When you are practicing on your own, focus on accuracy, speak slowly and clearly. However, when you are interacting with others, prioritizing fluency, conveying your message, good communication isn't just about words, it's about posture, tone, and body language. Emphasizing these elements will make you a more confident speaker. As we come to the end, let's quickly summarize the key points to ensure you are ready to move forward with confidence. If your spoken English feels stuck, try boosting your confidence, refining your study methods, practicing regularly, changing how you think about mistakes, and building your confidence. Focus on the communication rather than perfection, and over time you will see real progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.